What you should do if you're stopped for a DUI is, number one, be polite. Be as polite as you possibly can. You're being recorded. There's a very, very high percentage chance that you're on video as well as audio, and that video and audio is going to be viewed by lots of folks, and you want to look as good as you can on that video. Being rude is a very, very bad idea. Be as polite as you possibly can. That's number one. Number two, you do not want to agree to do any field sobriety tests. None. You don't want to let them check your eyes. That's a real common one. They'll say, let me check your eyes to make sure you're okay to drive. That's called an HGN test. You don't have to consent to that test. You don't have to do that test, and you shouldn't do that test. If you refuse to do the test, there's nothing that can be done to you for refusing. You never want to agree to do the HGN test or the eye test. You never want to agree to do any other field sobriety tests the police might ask you to do. So you politely refuse. And in Georgia, if you refuse, a jury will never be told about your refusal. They cannot use that against you. They cannot admit into evidence against you the fact that you didn't take a field sobriety test. And therefore, you shouldn't do them. And if you don't do them, the government's not going to have very much evidence against you, and you won't be offering more evidence for the government to use against you at a trial.